Hi guys, let's continue on decorating our scene. For that, we have to change the tile map and select here the TCF decoration. So many stuffs appear. For example, we'll starting on taking this on selecting uh, the this sign, okay, and we'll put it, for example, at the beginning of the game to indicate to the hero, I mean to the player, to go in that way. Okay, this is the first things to do. We can continue on decorating, on putting, for example, this kind of rocks. So we have to select it, and then we can put it one here, for example. Let's say another one here. Okay, we can put that in various places. Okay, let's take some distance. Okay, let's continue on putting another one on other rocks like that, like this one. Uh, let's say, okay, this one, for example, here, here. Well, I think that's not too bad to start. Okay, let's say another one here. Then we can even put some trees. So let's select this part. We can put, for example, one trees here. Okay, let's do kind of trees like that. And we will even put, let's say, some things like that. Let's create our trees. Okay, let's do another one here, for example. 1, 2, 3, and then we can change the color. Let's take this one. Okay, this is not so complicated. Okay. Okay, we can even put some bushes like this one, for example. Let's put one here, here, here. Okay. I think it's not too bad.